In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can get your first 100 subscribers just in 7 days. Okay, so this will be an amazing tutorial for you guys, step by step, for beginners who want to get their first 100 subscribers. This is an easy method that I'm gonna show you. You don't need to invest any money, you can start using this method for free. So let's get started. Okay, so this method, I use this method to get my first 100 subscribers, and it works for me, so of course it will work for you as well. Okay, so let's get started. So what you need to do guys is you just need to go to your Facebook homepage. Okay, go to your Facebook homepage, click over here on the search for YouTube promotion groups. Okay, search for YouTube promotion groups. Over here you can see filters, scroll down, click over here on groups. Okay, because we need just groups. This method is really working guys. If you are using this method, if you start using this method, you can get your first 100 subscribers just in 1 week or even less. Okay, then you can find a lot of YouTube promotion groups on Facebook. As you can see, they have a lot of people are using those groups. What you need to do is you need to join those groups. Okay, so after you do that, go to the group like this, just click on the group, on the group name like this. You will be directly in this page. What you need to do next, scroll down, and as you can see, there are a lot of people here who are posting their YouTube videos links. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so what you will do, if we click over here on view more comments, those people are helping each others. Okay, so what you will do, you will help those people and they will help you. Okay, they will help you back. That's how those people are doing. Okay, put your YouTube video link here, and anyone, as you can see, for example, this one has 10 accounts and he can subscribe to your YouTube channel with 10 accounts, as you can see. Okay, so you can just, as you can see, just post your YouTube video link here, and people who will subscribe to your YouTube channel, you will also subscribe to their YouTube channels, and you guys can help each others on this group, and you can get your first 100 subscribers fast. This, I have been using this method and it's working for me. I got my first 100 subscribers using this method. So this is the method that I use. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.